Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to use the new Design Space kerning feature. This feature, which applies to many of the fonts in Design Space, automatically spaces individual letters the correct distance apart to save you time and effort. To get started, let's head over to Design Space and check out a couple of before and after font workflows. In this before example, which could be used for a vinyl sticker, our Embassy standard font displays with spaces between the letters. Now we'll type the same font in with the kerning feature activated. You can really see the difference in the spacing. And here you can see this writing font would take some work connecting the letters without the new kerning feature. See how much tighter the spacing is as we type the same script with kerning? Let's take a closer look at how this new feature works. This is how you used to have to manually space your fonts. You can see, first we had to ungroup the lettering, then each letter had to be manually and painstakingly connected. You can see how long this would take. Now let's pull up the same font with a new kerning feature activated. Do you see how you no longer need to connect the letters? Also note how the kerning feature is on by default here. When the box is checked, which it will be automatically from now on, only fonts that have the kerning feature will display. A couple of things you need to know before we're done. This new kerning filter won't affect projects you saved before the feature was released. If you open an old project, the text will not be changed unless the text is edited. Also, kerning is for a desktop app only for now. That means if you use the feature on desktop, it won't sync if you continue designing that project on a mobile phone. Finally, here are some of our favorite fonts for getting started. Take a screenshot and save these for later. Here is Bickley. We also have this Bayamo font. This is Embassy Standard. And Lana Jane. We can't wait to see what you make with this cool new Design Space feature.